Audra with Cooking Couture Atlanta. I'm about to make the easiest, simplest, amazing, delicious, impressive deviled eggs. And I like to call them stuffed eggs. Welcome to Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. I'm your host, unapologetically Audra, super sassy Sinette. Let's make it happen. So, yes. Okay, so I took the eggs, and when I boil them, I put vinegar in the water so that the eggs, the shell gets hard and it doesn't like crack and stick, so the shell doesn't stick to the egg. And so I took the yolks out and it came out beautifully. I took a fork and I smashed them up. All you need is some Thousand Island dressing, no mayo, no mustard, all of that. Get you some Thousand Island dressing. Top them with some bacon bits. Then we're gonna put oysters on top, smoked oysters on top, a little paprika and parsley. It's gonna be amazing. Watch this. And it's simple.
This is Angel Skin lip gloss. It's amazing. It's actually a burgundy liner with the, how is this?
The lining. Ready, set, go.
This is Angel Skin. Don't you see it? Don't you see the angels singing the praises of this amazing lip gloss? This is actually a burgundy liner with this.
Let's do it.
This is what you got?
This is colorful.
I whipped in some shredded cheese into my egg yolks with my Thousand Island dressing. All you have to do to get a great piping bag is to cut a hole in a Ziploc bag and then squeeze it.
You got training your approach? I don't want to burn this one.
That'll work for your little skin.
Well, then I won't do it.
I'm making stuffed eggs. When they're deviled, that means that they're spicy.
All right, are we ready? So this is your drink. I'm gonna give to you.
Okay, so then you have to put a little bacon bits on them.
Yes. You can say something else. You can say like, oh shoot.
But how they gonna edit? Is it gonna look like? Are they gonna get it edited? What if they need the thing?
Yeah, I'm
It's gonna be
gonna.
okay.
It's yours.
Smoked oysters, you like oysters? It's smoked oysters.
No,
Oh.
I like the one like she was saying like you know I'm lying.
Oh no, I don't want to put it.
Oh. Well, you can finish.
Oh, it's good. What is that? It's like tea.
Okay, these stuffed eggs were an amazing hit. They turned out fabulous. 5 simple ingredients: Thousand Island dressing, shredded cheese, smoked oysters, paprika, and parsley. You winning. So impressive. Don't forget to put vinegar in your water so that your eggs peel better. And if you need a piping bag, get a sandwich bag. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.